Hi, this is Logan with Paperclip Gaming 1, and here's another technology video with the Acer Aspire 1 Netbook 532H, and I'm going to show you how to replace the hard drive this time. I already did the memory, which is right here, also known as RAM, but this time I'm going to do the hard drive. And what you have to do is there's a screw. You want to unplug everything, of course, no battery right here, no AC, and no AC, nothing needs to be plugged in unless you want to get shocked. And you need to unscrew things here and here, and I have the screw in right here, but it's not in. I unscrewed everything to make this video go a little bit quicker. So I'm going to pull it out, and you're going to see this, and you're going to see this. This is the Wi-Fi it connects to your router. We're not going to bother with that, you don't want to mess anything up. Alright, so you see, this is the hard drive right here. And what you're going to do is, there's this little plastic tab. You're going to take a screwdriver that you unscrewed all the screws with, and you pull up this little tab right to there. And then, the hard drive is under this case, and it's easy to get out. All you're going to do is pop your thumb and push. And it's going to come sliding out, and you pull it out like that. And this is the stock hard drive. It's 160 gigs, and it's 2.5 inches. And I don't know all the dimensions, but I think the biggest one you can buy is a 320. And so here's a hard drive. Okay, your other one will just go in the same way. You're gonna put it down and slide it in. If you want to see it again, I move the camera. So I do with one hand. Boom, like that, and you push the little tab back down. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and whatever the hell it's called on Google+. So, thank you.